Quick background story.
So about a year and a half ago, a friend of mine bought an old cheap electric guitar at a pawn shop. I don't even remember what brand it was some crappy guitar. And then we decided to redo the paint job on it. We started off, got some things done within 2 days, and then the plan was to finish it in the next few months.
Only we didn't. It's been about 13, 14 months now, and I've decided that I'm going to start a vlog on how I'm doing this thing to force myself to get it done. If you want to see the thing finished, see like a really condensed version of this whole process, I'll leave a link below, like a 3-minute edit of the whole build. Otherwise, you're welcome to come join me. I have no idea what I'm doing. That's a little disclaimer for you there, and let's see what happens.
Welcome to this very ambitious guitar refurbishment. It's really sad to think that within a year I didn't really do much extra. We sanded it down, as you can see here. Started drawing on it because we got lazy, and that's obviously a very bad thing if you want to do a proper job or something. I paused on the drawing. I'm going to see what we can get done on this thing because I really want to get it done. I've returned to sanding it down. I've got some 80 grit sandpaper that I'm going to use to take it down, and I'll work up to a finer finish and see if I can keep the drawing on here, keep them intact. So we'll see how I can do that. The one way I got this going is by having a little cloth there, and then we'll start with this side, sanding it down. So one of the first things I'm going to do is get myself a little sanding block to try and keep the finish nice and level, and then we'll take it from there. Yeah, I feel I should probably also add that if you are an experienced woodworker and you are ready to laugh at me, feel free to laugh at me. I will probably join you in laughing at myself because the tools I have are terrible and I have no idea what I'm doing. So this is what I got now, nice little sanding block. So let's get to sanding that guy. It's essentially just my way of trying to keep busy without losing my mind. And all the words that had me down, the silly thoughts that made me drown. So again, I can't emphasize enough that I have no idea what I'm doing. What I'm thinking is that I need to go with the grain as I'm sanding. So woodworkers of the internet, if you can confirm or refute that, I would really much appreciate it. Don't break me down, please. I'm a timid soul. I know I could probably just get a belt sander and take this down really quickly, which is actually a good idea, seeing as I'm completely out of breath. It's quite a much bigger workout than I thought it would be in the first place. I could feel it work on my triceps, which is good because bigger arms or something. Come on. Ah! No, nothing. I'm literally just waiting for that moment where I hit the wood and get through the resin, and then I'll do a little victory dance. These guitar makers must really not want any moisture coming in here. It's so thick. Okay, it's been about 2 hours now. I'm not very fit, and so my body is not coping. I think the best thing to do would be to try and find a belt sander somewhere. So tomorrow I'm going on a mission to find a belt sander. Hopefully that works. Also, I know I should probably get something to cover my face. This resin is going everywhere, and I can't imagine my lungs or vocal cords having a long life if I keep doing this. So yes, before the internet safety men attack me, I know.